Let's dive into the versatile world of all black outfits. Black is iconic in menswear, perfect for almost any occasion. Here are 9 easy all-black outfits for inspiration. Stay until the end for a hack to elevate your all-black look. Start with a simple t-shirt and jeans, but don't stop there. Level up with a suit for professionalism with a modern edge. For social events, style the suit with a more personal touch. Layer a blazer over a polo for a sharp business casual look. Or explore your inner rebel with a leather biker jacket. Go a step further and try out leather pants with a sleeveless shirt. If you're more cozy than edgy, try a Henley and chinos instead. Or wear a mesh top for a sexy vibe. Tap the sleek power of all black for the gym. You can even wear all black for formal events. Ready to elevate your all black outfits? To add visual interest and depth, mix different textures like leather, knit, or denim. What's your favorite color to wear? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe.